Jai Hind students of class 8, good morning to all of you. Yesterday I have taught about exercise 3D, how to find the square root, and today I am teaching exercise 3D onward. That means 13 question I am teaching to you. Question number 13. Find the smallest number by which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect square. First of all, we shall factorize 252. That is 252 through prime factorization method. It means 2 the 2 2 to the 4, 1 2 2 6 the 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6, and 3 2 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 7 the 21, and 7 1 the 7. You may write 252 equal to 2 square into 3 square, 2 square into 3 square into 7. It means to make the 7 as a pair, one 7 is required. So the required number equal to 7. It is the answer of the question. According to question, find the smallest number which 252 must be multiplied to get a perfect. Also find the square root of the perfect square number. So a square root equal to under root 2 square into 3 square into 7, that is 2 into 3 into 7. 3 to the 6, 7 the 42 is the square root of the given number. Question number 14. Find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. That is the given number is question number 14. Our given number is 2925. First of all, we should find the prime factorization of 2925. 5 to 7, 9, 16 to 18. That is this number is divisible by 3. 3 9 is 27. 2 to 3 7 is 21. 1 5 3 5 is 15. And 7 5 12. That is 21. That is 3 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6. 1 5 3 5 is 15. And now 3 to 5 5 10. That is not divisible by 3. So we shall divide by 5. 5 6 is 30. 2 5 5. 5 25, 5 6 32, and now by 5 13, and this number can be written like 2925 equal to 3 square into 5 square into 13. It means if this number is divided by 13, the given number will be the square root of a perfect square. That is required number equal to 13. Required number equal to 13. It means if the 2925 is divided by 13, the remaining number will be perfect square of a number. What will be the perfect square? That is under root 3 square into 5 square into 13 upon 13. 13 and 13 will be cut. That is 3 square into 5 square. 3 into 5, it means 15 is the square root of the given number. Question number 16. The students of the class arranged a picnic. Each student contributed as many rupees as the number of students in the class. If the total contribution is 1156, find the strength of the class. It means the strength of the class means number of students in the class. Strength of the class equal to a square root of 1156. Now, by prime factorization method, find out the square root. That is 2, 5 is 10, 1, 5, 2, 7 is 14, 1, 6, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 2 is 4, 1, 7, 2, 8 is 16, 1, 8, 2, 9 is 18, and 17, 17 is 289, 17 is 79. That is a square root. That is 2 square into 11, 17 square. 2 into 17, 34. Number of students in the class equal to 34. It is the answer of this question. Question number 17. Find the list a square number which is exactly divisible by 6, 9, 15 and 20. First of all, we shall find out the LCM of 6, 9, 15 and 20. 15 and 20. 2, 3 is 6, 9, 15, 10. 2, 3, 9, 15 and 5, and again by 3, 1, 3, 3 is 9, 3, 5 is 15 and 5, 3, 1, 1, 5, 5. And now 1, 1, that is we can write it as 2 square into 3 square into 5. It means the required number will be required perfect square number, perfect square number equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5, and we shall multiply the LCM by 5. That is 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 5 square 25. 25 4 is 100 into 9, that is 900 will be the required number, and that is the perfect square number. Find the square list square number which is 18 question is just like 17 question. So in homework you will do the complete the exercise 3D. Complete exercise 3D. Okay. Thanks students. Have a nice day.